Let's start with the part 2 of banking awareness. Question number 1. Where is NDB headquartered? In each question, you will get 10 seconds to answer. Answer is Shanghai. Question number 2. Which is the first bank to introduce ATM in India? And find these questions in the PDF form in our website. You will find the link in the description box. Answer of this question is HSBC. Question number 3. Which bank started the first RRB named Pratham Gramin Bank? The part 1 of banking awareness has uploaded in PDF form in our site. You can find the link in the comment box too. The East Syndicate Bank. Question number 4. Which is the first Indian bank to open branch outside India? And the answer is Bank of India. Question number 5. Which is the largest foreign bank in India? Don't forget to like the video and comment down your score out of 20. Is Standard Chartered Bank. Number 6. Which is the largest private sector bank in India? Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 7. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? Answer is State Bank of India. Question number 8. Which is the first bank to introduce credit card in India? Hope these questions are helpful for you all. Answer is Central Bank of India. Question number 9. Which is the first bank to introduce saving account in India? Answer is Presidency Bank. Question number 10. Which is the first bank to introduce mutual fund? Answer is State Bank of India. The question that was asked in the last video was, who acts as a lender of last resort to all public sector banks in India? And the answer is RBI. Some of you has given us the right answer. Thank you Aradhya, Akshita, Pratik, Kirti, Aarti for the amazing responses. We are grateful to you all. Question number 11. Who is the founder of Punjab National Bank? Tell us the answer in the comment section with the hashtag #S_Square. I will give you the correct answer in the next video of Banking Awareness Part 3. Question number 12. Which is the first bank to introduce internet banking? Answer is ICICI Bank. Question number 13. Which is the first bank to introduce check system in India? Answer is Bengal Bank. Question number 14. Who was the first governor of RBI? Answer of this question is Osborne Smith. Question number 15. Which is the first Indian bank started solely with Indian capital investment? Answer is Punjab National Bank. Question number 16. Which is the first Indian bank to get ISO? Answer is Canara Bank. Question number 17. Who signed the 1 rupee notes in India? Answer is Finance Secretary. Question number 18. What is the maximum amount for which a note can be printed by the RBI? Answer is option C, 10,000. And the question number 19 is, what is meant by KYC? Kindly do subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Answer is know your customer. And the last question for today is, when the IDBI was set up in India? Answer is 1964.